getting reverse results can make you feel like maybe subliminals just don't work for me, maybe manifestation just doesn't work for me. And I'm telling you that's not true. That cannot be possible. Why? Because you exist on this plane of reality, and on this plane of reality we all manifest all the time, every single day. Even if we manifest something we want or we don't want, we still manifest it. We are still in the process of creation and co-creation non-stop. And the third very common reason why you get reverse results is that you focus on the lack. You focus on what you do not want, and you focus on that more than you focus on what you want. And I'm telling you from my own story and from my own experience that I used to do this a lot, especially with physical appearance changes. I will focus on my nose being huge. I was focused on having small lips. I was focused on the acne. And I wanted to manifest better things and good things and me changing, but I was focusing on the wrong. And even with affirmations in general, I would say, yeah, I don't have acne, and I was still focused on the acne all the time in the mirror. So of course that was more of what I was seeing. This can happen to you as well, and I want you again to become more aware of yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, everything that you believe around this reverse results, opposite results. Be very radical honest with yourself and discover how you can fix this. And I'm gonna give you this quick fix. The very obvious quick fix, which is focusing on what you want instead. Meaning you'll think more of the, if you want clear skin, you focus more on the clear skin than on the acne. You focus more on the new story than the past story. You focus more on the possibility than on what it was before, so that you can really get the desired result that you want, that you can get the positive thing that you want, and no longer see reversed results and being frustrated and being stagnant in the process. I want you, starting now, to focus on, whenever you're listening to a subliminal, doesn't matter which subliminal it is, focus on the fact that as you're listening, changes are already happening. This doesn't mean you're going in the mirror right now and look and say, oh no, I don't have it, because that's again focusing on lack. You'll just listen and know what's happening. What helps me boost this is, as I'm listening to a subliminal, as I was listening to subliminals, I would read the benefits and I would see, what does this give me? What's the benefit of this that I'm listening to? And I would see all of these positive things, and I would read it and I would think of it, and I would see more of that, because that's where my focus went. And that same happens to you in this process. Reverse results are common, but you can stop them from happening. And this is the most 3 common reasons why you're seeing reverse results, and how to avoid that from happening in the future, starting today. Well, this was it. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, just go down the comments below and ask us. Moza will probably reply. I will also reply from my YouTube channel. So just do that, and I'll be in touch with you in the comments below. Thank you, and I wish you a very beautiful day or evening. Bye.